Hi everyone, welcome to SHSIR classes. Today in this video we have to draw 85-degree angle by using protractor. So constructing 85-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing a line of any length here, okay, and marking a point here. Next, using protractor, so putting the protractor perfectly on the point, then counting the angle. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So between 80 to 90 we can get 85 degree. Okay, now joining this side to get 85-degree angle. So first joining this, okay, so this is 85-degree angle, okay, so this is P, Q and R. So therefore angle PQR equal to 85 degree. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.